The National Hospital Insurance Fund, as we know, is a state parastatal that started back in 1966. Currently, we are using the NHIF Act number 9 of 1998. As per the last few months, there's been debate in Parliament that will see some new changes happening to the NHIF Act. Membership is to all Kenyans who have attained the age of 18, and there's so many branches all over the country. And you can also be served at any of the 47 Huduma centers across all the counties. We will look at NHIF from two angles. One, from the individual contributors angle, and two, from the employer's angle. First, we should know what does NHIF help with. Like any other insurance organization, NHIF enables members to contribute a little amount of money over time. This money is not reimbursed to them directly or proportionately to how much they have contributed. Instead, it helps each member in times of sickness, such that when you go to hospital and you're supposed to pay a certain bill, the amount that you're supposed to pay is taken from the pool that everyone else has contributed. So you can contribute 500 shillings per month and end up using 50,000 shillings in hospital bills per month from the pool. The products that NHIF has includes the national scheme, also known as the super cover. It enables the member to enjoy all benefits outlined in the cover benefit. All self-employed members are automatically in the national scheme, which is a super cover, which each member is supposed to contribute at least 500 shillings per month and for him and his or her beneficiaries. Other employed members who are not in a managed scheme are also in the national scheme, super cover. So members in the national scheme can access services from category A, which are government hospitals, and some of category B hospitals, which are faith-based and medium-cost private facilities. Category C is high-cost private facilities. Then the other cover is the Linda Mama cover. So for any woman who is expectant, you go to prenatal clinics and postnatal clinics, and also delivery, normal or through cesarean. The NHIF is supposed to cover that entirely. Then there is the EduAfya, which is a comprehensive medical scheme for all public secondary students in the National Education Management Information System and registered with the NHIF. It's a package that parents should consider for their students. It has good packages for all or most of the health conditions. As an individual, there are two ways to check your registration. One is to use your phone. If you have your phone and you dial star 155 hash, you'll be prompted on how to go on. The other thing is that you can download the NHIF app from Google Play or Apple Store, and you can be helped. And the third method, which is the easiest, is the NHIF self-care on the website, where if you input your ID number, you get a confirmation code on your mobile device or on the number that is registered with that phone. When you input that number, then you are able to get into your personal portal in NHIF. So this requires you to have an internet connection, and you will find the self-care code below your you'll find the link at the description. So it tells you whether your membership is current or expired, whether your contributions are up to date, and if they are in arrears, like in this case, it means that you're not covered. Then it also gives you the option to choose or change your required facility. So depending on where you are, you can select your county, Baringo, Bungoma, even diaspora, depending on where you are, you can select your county and then select your preferred facility from the list of hospitals. Again, the link for the list of hospitals that you can choose from is in the link below. So after you've chosen your preferred facility, then you just click on change facility. When you change facility, remember access to services is subject to full payment of all the premiums. So you must be up to date. To know whether you are up to date or not, click on the status button here. It will show you the penalties that you have and the arrears that you have and the date of last contribution. So if you pay the arrears and the penalties and you start contributing immediately, then you will be uh, able to access the services offered by NHIF. So the other thing is, as an individual, you have to visit the nearest branch to be registered and to add dependents. So dependents are spouse, that is if your wife, your husband, or if your husband, your wife, and children under the age of majority, that is below the age of 18.